Kynhun Menteri ke Sarkar Jela Meghalaya ha kesantrik Jemang Arhajar Arpun Riau ke ajing menjur Thungkam Pura no yaki kendai puprangot ki Nongtrei Ad-hoc ki belatung haswa ka lai puetrik uno pra Arhajar Nyo. Menteri ke Sarkar Jela berunang ai ketien ke Sarkar MDA uba awailat miki shela habai keren bagi nong thok kubor ulang baka Kynhun Menteri ke menjur Thungkam Pura ki Nongtrei Ad-hoc ki belatung kam haswa ka lai puetrik uno pra Arhajar Nyo bat kene kendai ka batch ka balai. Uli tu begitu kendai puprangot Nongtrei kemudian ni kita nak boper bagi kita nak kakoi kakia kedai kemudian bon nak ni Nongtrei Ad-hoc kemudian haduk san pusangut Nongtrei bat kadam dan jengkata ai yang pelatengkan namar begini Nongtrei gede belatri lupa hakikam ki bampat mang baik kila sei ketulap jong ki batri regular ni Pura hendrei ke jengtrei kam jakipat kadang long Ad-hoc.
In ad-hoc employee, this time the numbers which came to us for the regularization is 98. There are different departments, but majorly it was from the health department. It was all other department, but majorly I think around 55 of them were from the health department. So the financial, because see, this is the you should understand. This is they are already working on the sanction post, so they are already drawing scale pay. Everything as a government employee, but it's just that the appointment was during that time was not accordingly. So that's why this time there is no financial implication. We are just regularizing them.